Oh, hell no. G12 Hope, I'm on Highway 67. There is a vehicle who is currently trying to run people off the road. It would appear to begin to start at 10:37. I'm just now leaving Hope. The plate is Arkansas 122, Zebra Charles Zebra 122 ZCC. It's a blue Kona. We're headed westbound. We're coming up to Hempstead 21 at the moment. All right, they just pulled off into the veterinary clinic. Hey, what the hell are you doing?
I gotta get my dog to a vet.
I don't give a shit.
Here, I gotta get my dog to.
No, ma'am.
He's about to die.
I don't care. She can bring your damn
Don't
dog.
touch me.
Don't
touch me.
You're under
Don't
arrest.
touch me. My dog's dying. He's at the wrong vet. We got at the wrong.
You're gonna cut off traffic because your dog is dying? Are you kidding me?
I had my flashers on. Mama, get him to a vet. Get him to a vet. Go to the other
I don't care if you had your flashers on. You ran a vehicle off the road. You're going into incoming traffic. Get in. Get in.
Let me sit up. I will buy whatever you need, but let me sit up. I will sit down and do whatever you say.
Sit up.
Wait, I can't get up. I killed him.
G12 Hope.
I killed him.
Get in.
Okay, I will.
Get in now.
I'm just telling you I will do whatever
I don't give a shit what you're telling me. Get in. G12 Hope, I have one in custody, one female. Ma'am, listen.
I know.
You can bring your dog in there.
They were closed.
They're closed. Okay. Where's her driver's license?
I don't know. I'll get it to you, though.
What's her name, ma'am?
Her name is April Robinson.
April Robinson.
Right.
Okay, come on with me. Come on with me. You go do your thing. That's fine. Ma'am, what's your date of birth?
9/17/80. My name's April Robinson. I've never been in trouble.
Ma'am, you're lucky you didn't get TVI'd off the road. Because that's the next stage I was going toward.
He had a heartbeat.
I understand your dog is in bad shape, ma'am. But do you understand you ran a light, you went into oncoming traffic and cut off the vehicle. You could have killed somebody.
CNFS comments added.
Why isn't she going?
You're going to jail today.
No, I'm talking about my mom.
April, your address is at 2312 Rocky Mound Road?
Yes.
Okay.